Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Mahadev Vallekar. Today is a technical topic that is pharmacovigilance, and the today's topic name is the signal detection. The signal detection into the pharmacovigilance is referred as it is a process of identifying the potential safety concerns related to a drug or the medical product from the various data sources. It involves the analyzing adverse event reports, clinical trial data, literatures, and the other evidence to detect the patterns or the signals that may suggest a new adverse drug reactions and the change into the severity of the known adverse drug reactions or other safety risks. Then the definition of the signals into the pharmacovigilance. The signal is defined as it is a information that arises from the one or more sources suggesting a new potential causal associations or a new aspect of a new associations between an intervention and adverse drug reactions which warrants the which requires the further investigations. Then the signals can indicate previously unknown adverse signal can detect the previously unknown adverse drug reactions, new interactions with the another drugs or into the another conditions, then change into the frequency, then change into the severity and the outcome of the and the outcomes of the adverse drug reactions. Then the sources for the signal detections. The signal detection in the pharmacovigilance relies on the multiple data sources like spontaneous reporting systems. For example, the WHO Global Individual Case Safety Report, that is ICSR database, VGBase, FDA Adverse Event Reporting Systems, and another it is a UDRA Vigilance. Then the clinical trial data, the informations from the pre-marketing studies to the post-marketing studies, the electronic health records, that is real-world patients data, then the published literatures, the case studies and the case reports from the journals, then the social media and the patient forums, then the collect the data from the real-world evidences, registries and the observational studies. Then steps into the signal detection. First one, it is a data collections, aggregate safety data from the sources such as ICSR, clinical database and the other literatures. Then the data mining and the statistical analysis. Use the disproportionality analysis to detect the signals. It includes the common methods like proportional reporting ratio, that is PRR. It measures the frequency of the adverse drug reactions compared to the others into the software or to the database. Then reporting the odds ratio, similar to the PRR but uses the odds ratio. Then the Bayesian confidence propagations neural network used by the WHO for the probabilistic assessment of the signals. Then the empirical bias geometric means, that is EBGMs, used by the FDA for the quantitative signal detection. Then the third one, it is signal prioritizations. Prioritize the signals based upon the clinical importance, that is the severity, frequency and the patient impact. Then strength of the association, it includes the statistical and the clinical evidences. Then relevance to the populations like pediatric population, geriatric population. Then fourth one, it is a signal validation. Performs a review of available data, including the causality assessment, medical literatures, and the different pharmacological mechanisms are involved. They involve the experts for the clinical judgment and the contextual analysis into the signal validation. Fifth one, it is a signal communication. If validated, communicate the signals to the regulatory authorities, manufacturers, and the healthcare professionals. Then the tools for the communication includes the periodic safety update reports, risk management plans, and the public health advisories. The signal management. The signal may lead to the actions. To the actions such as updating product labeling. For example, new warnings or the new contraindications or the different types of the indications are involved. And issuing the safety alerts, conducting the post marketing studies. Then the market withdrawal if the risk outweigh and the benefits. Then challenges into the signal detections like underreporting. The many adverse drug reactions are never reported, limiting data availability. Then the data quality, incomplete data reduces the reliability. Then the noise into the data, high volume of non-relevant reports can obscure due to the true signals. Then the timeliness, delays in the recognizing signals may lead to the public health risk. Then causality assessment. Causality assessment includes the causal relationship into the complex and to the subjective. Then tools and the different types of the technology used into the signal detections like data mining tools, WHO, VGBase, Udra vigilance tools are used. Then the pharmacovigilance softwares, different pharmacovigilance softwares are used for the signal detections like Argus, RSG. Then the machine learning and the artificial intelligence used for the pattern recognitions, predictive modelings, and the handling the large number of the data sets. Then the regulatory guidelines into the signal detection and the management are governed by the regulatory frameworks. Regulatory framework which include the ICH, E2E, then the pharmacovigilance planning, describe the risk identifications and the evaluation of the risk. Then the EU guidelines on good pharmacovigilance practices, that is the GVP modules. Module 9 specifically address the signal management plans. Then the FDA guidelines for the industry. It covers the signal detection and the post-marketing pharmacovigilance. The signal detection into the pharmacovigilance is a critical process to ensure the drug safety and protect the public health. Then it combines the statistical method, clinical judgment, and the regulatory expertise to identify and manage the potential risk with the advancement into the data analytics and the technology. The signal detection is becoming the more efficient and the proactive in addressing the safety concerns. Thank you.